Ngita ba ka o long term pabangan? So here, A-frame house located at Katulian, San Juan Secure. Available na siya for long term. This A-frame house is good for 2-person couple. So pwede if you are pet lover, nagkay dog, pwede kayo dire. May bawal sa giro dire, pwede. Comment below and pay now for more details. A-frame house located at Katulian, San Juan Secure.